Hello students, welcome back. We have already learned diary entry and message writing in our previous videos. Today we are going to learn how to go about writing a letter. Letter writing is divided into two parts, formal and informal letters. Letter writing is an important skill to develop. Written communication in both formal and personal matters is crucial, and so it is necessary to develop skills for letter writing. Here we will focus on how to effectively write informal letters and tips to improve our efforts. Let us get started. Let us begin with the definition of the informal letter. What is an informal letter? Informal letters, also referred to as friendly letters, are written to close acquaintances, friends, family, relatives, etc. Since they are written to close relations, the letters have an informal and personal tone. Casual language is used while writing informal letters, and sometimes the letter may even have an emotional undertone, or it might be defined as informal letters are mainly used for personal communication. They can be written as per the writer's wishes and the requirement of the situation. So the letter is written in a personal fashion in casual, unassuming language. Let us look at the format of an informal letter. If you notice carefully, you will see that the letter starts and ends on the left hand side. Layout of the letter, which is after this format, will further explain the below written format clearly. We write the address in brief without the name, followed by the date, then the salutation. After the salutation is the body of the letter, which includes introduction, main content, conclusion, plus the ending of the letter. The fifth one, that is the subscription, which is yours affectionately, yours lovingly, your friend, etc., etc., followed by the signature. The signature, though it is mentioned signature, the name needs to be very clear. Let us see the layout of the informal letter. Heading, which is address of the writer, it is placed at the top of the page. Don't write your name above the address. Date is written directly below the address, clearly indicating the date, month, and the year. Below the date, greeting or salutation. It depends upon the relation in which you stand to the person to whom you are writing. Example, dear dad, my dear sister, my dear Sita, etc. Salutation is followed by the body of the letter. It is the most important part. The opening sentence should either be in response to an earlier communication or have a reference to the subject of the letter. Example, thank you very much for. We were shocked to learn that. The concluding sentence, it rounds off the subject matter or conveys love and respect to the family members. Concluding sentence is followed by subscription or leave taking. A letter must close with certain form of polite leave taking. For example, yours affectionately, yours loving, etc. It is followed by signature. It comes below the subscription. Please note, never use an apostrophe in yours. Let us see the marking scheme of informal letter. The letter can be of 6 to 8 marks. It depends on the examiner. Now look at it. Format carries 1 mark. and the format includes sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject or heading, salutation, and complimentary close. Contain carries 3 to 5 marks, in which the expression carries maximum marks, which includes grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spelling, coherence and relevance of ideas and style. So the total is 6 to 8 marks. Let us see some sample letters. The first one: imagine yourself to be Aloka. Your friend Gayatri has gone to France for higher studies. Write a letter to her in about 100 to 120 words. The letter begins with a brief address which does not include the name. It is followed by the date. Look at the date, how it is written. After the date comes the salutation. It is Dear Gayatri. The first stanza is the introduction, that is the reason why the letter is written. Now, if you observe, the first part, this first paragraph, doesn't include hi, how are you, I hope you are fine. No pleasantries are exchanged. The letter begins with thank you very much for your last letter, that is, it has some relation. The second paragraph, which is the main content for which she is writing the letter. The third paragraph is the conclusion, and the fourth paragraph is the final conclusion. After the conclusion, you can see the subscription, that is the person who is writing, your friend, and the signature, that is the name of the person who has written the letter. Let's see second sample letter, informal letter. Write a letter to your friend describing your recent experience of visiting the book fair, New Delhi. Look at the address. Only the address is mentioned, no name is mentioned. The address is followed by the date. After the date, it is the salutation, and then the letter begins. Look at the way the first paragraph describes everything. The second part, the second paragraph, look at the content and look how the letter is ended. The conclusion ends with the subscription, that is your friend, followed by the name who is writing the letter. Let us summarize the things that we have learned by following the do's and don'ts. The don'ts: don't begin the letter by exchanging unnecessary pleasantries, which I have already mentioned. Don't write your name above the address. Don't introduce yourself to your own known people. Don't repeat the same sentences or words. Don't use an apostrophe in yours. Now the do's: start with an appropriate greeting. Compose an introductory sentence where you state the reason of your writing. Write the main body of your letter, in which you develop the subject into 1 or 2 paragraphs. Create an appropriate concluding paragraph having 1 or 2 sentences in which you sum up the letter. And finally, have a suitable ending. I hope you have got the gist of how to write an informal letter, and you shall follow all the do's and don'ts while writing the letter. I have given the notes. In that notes, the about to sample letters are also mentioned. Till we meet again with notice writing, go through these 3 writing skills thoroughly along with the notes provided. Till then, thank you.